and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all my June 2021 bullet journal setup. So yeah, it's June. Happy June everyone, and we are done with half of the year, and yes, the time passed so quickly, but today we are planning for June 2021. And yeah, please subscribe if you haven't yet already and hit the bell besides it so that you guys will get notified whenever I'll upload next month bullet journal setup. And like this video, share it with your friends and families. Also do tell me in the comment section how is this month's theme of mine. And yeah, I'll talk about the theme in a while. So grab your bullet journals and your supplies if you're planning along with me. If not, then get cozy and grab your snacks or coffee, and let's just get started with the planning. So talking about the theme first, you guys may have guessed it right till now. Yes, I'm taking a clouds theme for June 2021. So as June is like a rainy season month, I was wanting to incorporate the clouds of those rainy days in this theme, and so I decided to take this cloud theme. I particularly don't want to make or choose like a rain theme for this month, so decided why not take clouds theme. So yeah, my inspiration for this month's theme is Amanda Rachel, of course, and she did this for her April 2018 bullet journal setup, and I decided why not to take clouds theme but add my own twist in that. So the color scheme is gray and this little bit of blue. I'll talk more about this page and the theme in a while because something interesting is coming in the next clips. So hope you guys enjoyed that mini ASMR. Now coming on the theme again, I was saying that I used the gray for like the shadows on the clouds and the blue on like the bottom to give it like a movement type of thing, and I also made like some curvy lines on the bumps of the clouds. I hope that makes sense. But then I just took all the pictures and made a collage on the quote side page, bottom of my brain dump, and this time I not made a calendar spread besides my cover page. I made a whole calendar spread that you'll see in the front clips. Then I just used some washi tape for some details and a white pen and gave some details on the picture as well. I thought that was very fun and it also looks very good. I also used silver and did the same on the picture, and also for the lettering for this month I chose calligraphy, and I used my silver glitter pen and gave the shinings on the lettering and on the clouds, and also on the boxes like on the brain dump box I used the glitter pen. And yeah, by the way, I just wrote June in the center and made the clouds all around it. That's all for this spread. Moving on to my next spread, which is my calendar and my tracker spread. So this time for my calendar I decided to do a very fancy type of Dutch door spread. It's very interesting. So I did everything off camera because the Dutch door, like the cuts of the Dutch door was a bit difficult, so I can't do that on camera. All I did is made a calendar and wrote June on top of it, and I wrote the dates with my black pen and gave the highlights using my light blue and made clouds all around it. And I just cut the clouds, like the ends of the clouds, and I made a Dutch door. Then besides, like back of my Dutch door, I made my trackers. Here is my habit tracker and this is my mood tracker, and I decided to choose grid layout this time. Next I'm taking a printout of cloud that I bought and I'm sticking it here in the bottom of my left side page, and I'll stick it here and write the quote on the right side, and above that I'll just make my notes section, my gratitude and my mini trackers. And yeah, I used my silver pen once again for the shine in the clouds and also in the habit tracker, mood tracker and my calendar boxes on the outlines, like yeah. And yeah, here I wrote the quote which says every cloud has a silver lining, and yeah, very fitting with the theme. Also you guys will see how I like made it. After I was done with making everything, I just added the clouds on the remaining place, like on the whole page. And yeah, making the clouds were very easy and interesting. Also guys, I made a reel of my Dutch door spread on Instagram. You can see it, and yeah, do like, share and also follow me on Instagram if you have. And yeah, the link is in the description and my ID is on the screen. And yeah, the Dutch door spread turned out so cool. Now moving on to my next spread, which is my playlist and my sleep log. So for my playlist I took the same layout as well as for my sleep log, and on the like remaining space I made the clouds and added the pops of color. So I finally brought the printouts of the songs that I'm jamming recently or they are my favorite. So I just started with cutting the songs for this month. Actually I bought this together for like my April and May spreads too. I'll make a shorts of it soon. And yeah, I just cut all of the songs out, and now I'm just seeing the position of them on my playlist spread and then I'll stick them. By the way, the songs are like BBY by Piper Rockell, Faded by Alan Walker, If I Rule the World by Leah, then Scares to the Beautiful by Alicia Cara, Harry Styles, Watermelon Sugar, Kill This Love by Blackpink. And yeah, these are like some of my favorite songs that I added in this month's playlist spread. And yeah, then after that I just outlined everything with my silver glitter pen to like give it a shine, and yeah, made like the song type of icons or whatever down of the pictures. So here's the final flip through of my June 2021 bullet journal setup. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this fun and cute spreads and this theme. And yeah, please do subscribe, like and share. Also hit the notification bell besides it. And yeah, that motivates me to make more videos like this. And yeah, also to follow me on my Instagram. The ID is on the screen. Also the playlist shorts will be coming up soon. And yeah, that's all for this video. Meet you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves and yeah, bye guys.